How to hide your profile on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide your profile on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile. After that click settings and then scroll down until you find the privacy center, and here you will find who can see my Truecaller profile. Now just click this one, requests approved by me, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.